Hi again. I guess the 50 time, 50, 15 time, 17 time. I don't know how many time I'm installing Fedora server on computer, but the main thing is that I'm trying and I'm learning by mistaking. If you try, if you want to learn something and you try and you can manage that and you don't learn it, you will never learn it. But if you try 50, 100 times, then you will learn it. And I'm a strong believer in that. This is why I try so many times. This is why I speaking in a foreign language in English. This is why I'm speaking with an accent. This is why I'm speaking not so fluently. Because if I will not speak it, even how I speak it, even with my Romanian accent, if I will not do that, I will never know it. I will never know it. I will never know some tech characteristics, some IT. I will never learn Linux, for example. I did watch for I don't know how many times the video of installing Fedora server on PC. But I did also raise my voice, but I did mistakes along the way, and by doing those mistakes you learn. So the first thing that we do when we install a Fedora server on our PC is do an update. We did an update. Now we should choose our display manager. Should we choose the SDDM, the default display manager for key desktop environment, and for LXQT, a GDM, a display manager that is a default for GNOME, or LightDM? I will choose LightDM. I want everything to be light. So we're using the privilege sudo, the super user, acronym for super user do. With this privilege we can do elevated prompt in the terminal like we have now. For example, sudo, then we use the program that implement the packages from Fedora, and that program is dnf tnf. For Debian is apt sudo dnf dnf, then install light dm. Let me see, and we give our password. If we are right, he will do like that. If we see a little bit above the text installing, it's Xorg X11. That means it picked X11, so we will not install it. It's already going picked by the display manager that we install it. So now we are being asked, should we install it? Is this okay or not? And yes/no, and we say yes because we want it. We want it to be installed on our computer, on our PC. And now he is installing. I should watch. I'm telling this thread of my before time. I should watch how to optimize DNF. Titus, I guess his name is, said on his video that he should do a video of optimizing DNF and also about how to speed up apt. I watched that. He speed it up with Nala, another package manager. You should watch it. That maybe if you want to speed up apt, because I did install Arco and everything was good. It didn't break on me because I installed Btrfs and time shift, so every time is something gone wrong, and I don't understand this. Like all the little things, it did come back to that snapshot, that the last snapshot. This is how I maintain it, Arco. And what I can say, I loved it for the speed response of package manager, and that it was light on my resources on PC. Now I want to try something different like Fedora server. Like I never installed a Fedora server, and I want to install a Fedora server with the light display manager. So to see how it would work, how I would work with the package manager DNF. Okay, now should we enable? We should use system. I'm doing more quicker now because it's now 17-18 time. System CTL. This is command line terminal manager that lets us manage system MD and instance system. And with that system, we just installed LiDM, and now with this system we enable that LiDM that we installed. It's good. This is the response that I saw in video. We are doing all right. Now the next thing, we enable the display manager that we did install. Also we use this system CTL sudo system CTL to set a default graphical target, because we don't want to boot in terminal or to boot in a command line. We want it to boot in a also in a, I can say it's a desktop environment because I know it would boot in a black screen because I don't know how to install the configuration. I'm still watching those videos. I watch it 3 times and I did some notes, but I'm still watching. So we did set the default graphical target. Yes, it created a directory, bash usr, bash lib, bash system graphical target. It created a directory where this graphical target was placed. And now let me go drink some tea. We also are placing some water, warm water for our legs, so we should wash them. We should wash them because tomorrow is Monday, and tomorrow we will have a new desktop environment, i3. I want to install i3, and we wash our legs. So sudo dnf install i3. I want to do a mention here that I tried to install BSPVN and it did not. I don't know why. Maybe it's something that I did. it did not install, but I free did install it, so I am now installing it. Yes. Okay, now we did install ifree, it's complete, it's saying to us. So we will install a G menu. I did try to install Rofi, so you might laugh now, but I couldn't make it. I did install it. I couldn't make it run. I don't know why. I don't know how to do it. I'm alright with G menu. I did use it several times. Install G menu. I did so, I guess, take a video. He installed uBlock, also a certain the menu is already installed. That's good. So we start the menu, ifree. We should install Become Compositor. So then install Become. Yes, and all the dependencies. We didn't find it. The computer didn't find it. How is